What's the point? What is the point? The point is what you're trying to get across to your audience when giving a good speech. Without a point, there's not really a speech. You have to have a prepared and good outline in order to give an adequate and well thought out speech. You also have to research your information and make sure it's correct when also citing it correctly. That is what chapters 5, 6, and 7 have taught me in reading both of them at this time. Chapter 5 really outlined the importance of the main point. Without having a main point, how is anyone going to know what you're talking about? If Martin Luther King, the president, just to name a few, didn't have a main idea when they gave their speeches, do you think anyone would have listened to them? No. They would have not been heard, and their speeches would not have been as influential as they are today. With outlines and good main ideas, your ideas can be spread to these people in ways that are so impactful and make a difference. But without this, speeches are messy and they're not thought out and they just don't have a good flow to them. This has helped me in many ways because sometimes when I give speeches, I tend to go off book. I don't have a plan. I kind of improvise, and that leads to bad speeches and not real thought out information. But with this, I have learned that if I have outlined stuff, I can give great speeches that do not have any hicks whatsoever. The last thing that is very important is information. Without research information, you could be leading people in a very wrong way just because of a bad source. It is essential to make sure that your information is on point, it's not from a bad website, and that it has good sounding evidence behind it. Without this, your speech can be messy and misinterpreted, and that is never a good thing for a speech. It can reflect badly on you, on the speech, and the idea that you were trying to get across but failed because you didn't have the right information. Citation is also a good thing to have. You need to know how to cite things in order to give people the adequate credit that they deserve for their information.